The 2013 Grammy Awards was a chance for celebrities to step outside of the box when it comes to style. We love when stars take risks, but when it comes to fashion, the music industry plays by a different set of rules. It's usually more outlandish and more creative, of course. Check out the best and worst dressed of the night. Queen Bey is on the best dressed rampage these days, and we can't wait to see what she does next. We love that she's experimenting with lesser-known designers and unexpected shapes. The graphic black and white calls attention to her shapely arms, while those sleek pants show off her killer curves. Rihanna, the pop star, surprised us by wearing something so romantic that she seemed like she's already gearing up for Valentine's Day. Her crimson gown showed off her toned upper body and complemented her ombre hair, while the dreamy train was pure glamour. The Grammys are all about taking risks, and the new mom succeeded in an unlikely way. Usually clad in black, we love seeing Adele in a bright floral frock that plays off her warm skin tone and shows off her waist. The matching shoes are a fun accent. And of course, not to forget those who managed to make it to the worst dressed list. Yes, Jennifer Lopez, the diva, is channeling Florence Griffith Joyner in this one-legged, one-shouldered look. Her geisha-inspired top knot is strangely disproportionate to all that bare skin, isn't it? Carly was a stark opposition to her pale skin tone, and the effect was a little too Wednesday Addams for our taste. Her blunt-cut bangs only added to the severe effect. And trouble for Taylor Swift, as she wore a Grecian-inspired gown, which, while pretty, is blah when compared to more daring choices we've seen her in lately. So tell us who you think was the best and worst dressed. Thumbs up if you agree with us, and don't forget to subscribe to Hollywood Backstage, your hangout for all the celebrity gossip.